Good morning, YouTube. So this is a little bit of a different video. Actually, it's an extra video because we had some major flight issues getting out of Hawaii yesterday. We didn't make it out after 12 hours in the airport. So we had to spend overnight in the Hilton Hawaiian Village, which I am able to give you a room tour because of that. They did upgrade me because I am still a gold member. But the airlines had to put us in a hotel overnight, give us some meal vouchers. Our flight out of Kona got delayed by like 3 or 4 hours, so it made us miss our connecting flight out of Honolulu to go back to Sacramento, and there were no other flights. There was a large amount of people that it happened to, so originally they were going to have us stay 2 nights because they were going to fly us back to Maui to stay with my parents and then take a flight to Sacramento out from there because everything was just booked for flights today. But they called me yesterday while we were waiting in the airport about to fly to Maui that they had seats on a flight back to Sacramento today. So got to spend the night in the Hilton Hawaiian Village. Bit of a dramatic experience because they sent our bags to Sacramento without us. It was kind of sad. So by the time we got to Honolulu, our connecting plane was delayed, so we ran for it because they said maybe you'll make it. We tried. The plane was there, doors were closed, couldn't get on, but our bags were on. So spent the night without bags, had to go buy some clothes. Gonna try and submit that with the Hawaiian Airlines claim process, but this is where having that American Express Platinum does come in handy. I used this in January when my husband got sick on vacation. They do have trip delay insurance built in and baggage insurance, so read the fine print, but that's something I'll be submitting a claim for since we had to go buy clothes. Luckily I had my glasses and I had some stuff, but my husband packed a lot of everything he has in his suitcase, so he had to buy some stuff. I had to buy, underwear and this and that, but that is why I'm on the beach right now with my coffee. Our flight leaves Hawaii time at around noon, so got the breakfast with the breakfast credit, which it's not much, it's like $10 a person, and then we will be headed back home just in time. I'll be flying out to Orlando in a couple of days, so needed to get home, but just wanted to give you an update. I got a snippet of some of the parts of Hilton Hawaiian Village. This place is huge. I haven't been here in years. I grew up here. And yeah, I will show you the room. Quick little video. Unintended video. Don't have any of my makeup or anything, so we're just winging it to get home tonight. But I will show you around real quick and then we will get on going. Alrighty, so here is the room, starting with the balcony. They did upgrade me, like I mentioned. This room is in the Tapa Tower, or maybe I'm saying that wrong, the Tapa Tower, T-A-P-A. They have a bunch of different towers that they can give you. Just a standard 2-bed room is what they had. This is the coastal view room, so you can see the ocean on the outdoor balcony, but if you upgrade, they have ocean view rooms, and then the cheapest room is the resort view room. Standard bathroom amenities. The room was pretty much basic. I think people just do the upgrades based on the view. The balcony was nice, although it was a bit too high for my liking. Typical closet, safe, ironing board, that kind of stuff. This is what their hallway looks like, and there are, I think, 4 or 5 different towers. This is also a Hilton Grand Vacation Club property, so it is a huge property, tons of shops. Like over here, there is a Louis Vuitton in there, if that's your thing. Outdoor bar, plenty of restaurants right in downtown Waikiki with plenty to do. And then there is also a gym, but I didn't find it. It's somewhere else in here. They have a couple of different pools, which I'll show you later in this video. And everything is pretty much walking distance. The beach is right out front. You can walk down to the downtown strip to go shopping. There's a nice walking trail to a park. And I guess if you're looking to get married, they have their little wedding chapel right here. So let me show you just the rest of the property grounds. But yeah, this is the quick little room tour because we got stuck overnight. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, subscribe button for more vlogs and more traveling tours, more of everything we've got coming up. Next week, it is Orlando. We are in Disney World. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.